Hi, hello, my name is Evelyn A. Pilimeno. So today I will discuss about the biomolecules. So first we have here the lesson objectives. Define biomolecules. B. Identify the principle of biomolecules and understand the function of the four major types of biomolecules. So first, let's define the biomolecules. So biomolecules are the compounds needed for life. Biomolecules are the molecules present in a living organism. These molecules are fundamental building blocks of a living organism as they support the biological process essential for life. So we have here a 5 characteristic of biomolecules. Most of them are organic compounds. So organic compound, this is the living organism. So the second is functional group, determines their chemical properties. 3. Most biomolecules are asymmetric. 4. Building block molecules have a simple structure. Biomolecules first grow by chemical evolution. So the biomolecules have four principles. The principal organic constituent in a living cell are as following. First, carbohydrates, nucleic acid, proteins, and lipids. First, let's define the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, these are a compound of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. On hydrolysis, they yield simple sugar. Sugar adenine or ketone. Derivatives are polymeric alcohol. Carbohydrates, monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides are all carbohydrates. But the most important carbohydrates in nature is dextrose or glucose. Glucose is a sugar. The second one is lipids. The lipid is the neutral fat, oil, and waxes. Just like a carbohydrates, lipids are compound of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They occur in the plant and animal tissues and are insoluble in water but are soluble in organic like chloroform, benzene, ether, alcohol, and etc. Next one is protein. These are complex nitrogenous compound of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Sometimes they may also contain other elements like sulfur, phosphorus, iron, etc. They have high molecular weight on a hydrolysis, decomposition of reaction with water. They from amino acids. And protein, an amino acid, organic compound which is contained in H2 group and carbonyl COOH group. Glycerin is a simple amino acid. We have 20 different amino acids have been isolated from different proteins. So the last one is nucleic acid. These are the largest and the most fascinating molecules found in the living matter. These are the carriers and mediators of genetic information from one generation to another, exert primary control over basic life processes in all organisms. Like proteins, nucleic acid are also polymers. So that will be all. Thank you.